Why do we have eyebrows? We all know the importance of eyebrows in our facial features and expressions, but how often do we actually think about why we have them? In this video, we'll explore why we have eyebrows and the important role they have in our lives. We've all seen the old cartoons where characters have no forehead or eyebrows, and it looks like they're just staring off into the void. That's because eyebrows are essential to our facial expressions and communication. They help define our facial features and can convey a range of emotions. So why exactly do we have eyebrows? According to evolutionary biology, eyebrows are an adaptation to the changing environment. Early humans evolved thicker, darker eyebrows to protect their eyes from sun, rain, sand, and other elements. This adaptation was especially helpful in colder climates, as eyebrows acted as a mini-hood to keep the eyes warm and dry. In addition to protection, eyebrows also play an important role in communication. Our eyebrows are constantly moving and changing shape, even when we're not consciously aware of it. We use our eyebrows to show a range of emotions, including surprise, confusion, disbelief, anger, and joy. Eyebrows act as an important signal in our social interaction. They help us tell when someone is being sincere or when they're lying. They also help us read facial expressions, which can help us communicate more effectively. In fact, studies have shown that people with more expressive eyebrows are more successful in social interactions than those with less expressive eyebrows. Eyebrows also help us look more attractive. Studies have shown that people with thick, well-shaped eyebrows are considered more attractive than those with thin or sparse eyebrows. Additionally, eyebrows can enhance the shape of our eyes and make us look more alert and awake. Finally, eyebrows help us express our individuality. We can shape and groom our eyebrows to create a unique look that reflects our personality. We can choose to go with a bold, dramatic look or a more subtle, natural look. It's entirely up to us. So why do we have eyebrows? Because they're an essential part of our facial features and expressions. They help us protect our eyes, communicate our emotions, look more attractive, and express our individuality. Eyebrows are an important part of who we are and they should be appreciated and celebrated.